Welcome to an in-depth guide on achieving a classic and timeless bridal makeup look. Your wedding day is a cherished occasion, and your makeup should reflect the eternal elegance that transcends trends. In this tutorial, we'll delve into every detail to help you achieve a look that will stand the test of time, enhancing your natural beauty and radiance on this momentous day. Starting with the canvas of your face, creating a flawless complexion is essential. Begin by cleansing your skin to ensure a clean base. Follow with a moisturizer to provide hydration and a smooth surface. A primer is crucial as it helps your makeup adhere seamlessly and ensures longevity throughout the day. Moving to the foundation, opt for a shade that perfectly matches your skin tone. Apply it evenly with a beauty sponge or brush for a seamless finish. Concealer comes next, helping to cover any imperfections or dark circles. Set your base with a translucent powder to reduce shine and ensure a matte look that lasts. Now, let's focus on the eyes, the windows to your soul. For a classic bridal look, choose neutral eyeshadow shades such as soft taupes, subtle browns, and delicate creams. Begin with a light shade on the lid and a slightly deeper shade in the crease to add dimension. A touch of shimmer on the center of the lid can beautifully catch the light. Opt for a thin line of black or brown eyeliner along the upper lash line for definition. Finish with mascara to enhance your lashes or consider false lashes for added drama. Brows play a vital role in framing your face. Groom your brows with a pencil or powder to create a defined yet natural arch that complements your features. For a timeless glow, focus on your cheeks and lips. Choose a soft, rosy blush to add a natural flush to your cheeks. For the lips, a classic bridal look often leans towards a soft and neutral shade. Opt for a lipstick that's close to your natural lip color and top it with a gloss for a touch of radiance. Highlighting is key to achieving a youthful and radiant appearance. Apply a subtle highlighter on the high points of your face, the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and the cupid's bow. To set your makeup and ensure it lasts through tears and laughter, use a setting spray. This will help your makeup remain intact and fresh throughout the day. Remember, a classic and timeless bridal look is about enhancing your beauty, not masking it. It's about capturing the essence of who you are while exuding grace and sophistication. By choosing a makeup style that transcends trends, you're ensuring that your wedding photos remain as breathtaking decades from now as they are today. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to achieving a classic and timeless bridal makeup look. As you walk down the aisle, you'll radiate a beauty that stands as a testament to your love and the enduring elegance of this special day.